I take the class
Mm-hmm.
because I need to prove the communication skill in
Mm-hmm.
English. For me, it's very important because I am medical doctor. I work on, I work for foundation. I am co-founder of the foundation in Suriname. I'm from Venezuela, but at the
Venezuela.
moment living in the Suriname, South America. Uh,
Huh. Suriname.
mm,
Yes.
Suriname,
Very good.
South America.
Suriname.
I decide
Mm-hmm.
take the class because I need to learn more the English language. No is easy. It's easy, but no. Let me.
Okay, okay. Take your time.
Oh, okay.
Okay, okay.
Okay. For me, is the big challenge. Take the class with teacher. Uh, then would teacher only talk English language because I know my native language is Spanish language. I
Mm-hmm.
don't know nothing. Oh, but for me is big challenge.
Mm-hmm.
I
Yes.
need I need your help
Your
for to learn. Um, for me, I need your diagnostic,
diagnose. Yeah.
diagnose.
Okay.
Um, I don't know.
Huh. Okay, okay.
Okay,
Huh.
okay.
So you told me that you're a medical doctor.
Yeah, I
Very
am
good.
medical doctor. Um, um,
And you have some, you know, a foundation, and you have a co-founder. You are a co-founder of this foundation. It's a medical foundation, yeah? Medical, I don't know,
yeah,
agency or something like that.
I am medical doctor, general practitioner.
Practitioner.
Uh, what?
Practitioner. Mm-hmm.
Practi- uh,
It's okay.
practitioner.
Practitioner.
Practitioner. Okay.
Practitioner.
Practitioner.
Very good. Yes.
Okay. Practitioner. I
Mm-hmm.
am medical general practitioner. Practitioner. Yeah? Practitioner. No.
Practitioner.
Practitioner.
Very good.
Okay.
Very good.
I am general practitioner.
Practitioner.
Practitioner,
Very
practitioner,
good.
practitioner. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Okay. When I come a Suriname, yeah, with my colleague, I decide to do or to make the foundation
Mm-hmm.
ONG. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. ONG, yeah?
Okay. In foundation help people migrant population. Yeah. Specific or